Hey guys, today I'm drawing a charcoal portrait, an abstract style one. I'm starting off with a piece of compressed charcoal. It's a pretty large piece so I can get tone across a lot of the page in large sections. During this process I'm being loose and I'm just using the values to create an underlying structure in the piece, in the portrait, and making the shadows of the face and the light parts of the face somewhat visible. I'm also recording at the same time to make a TikTok out of it, so that's why you see my phone just kind of roaming around the drawing randomly. I use a paper towel to wipe off some of the charcoal, blend some of it out, and also create a dynamic. Using the blending stump, I cover up most of the drawing and kind of get a little bit crazy with it, but I know I'm going to still try to keep a little bit of that foundation underneath so I can pull out some of the lights with a kneaded eraser. And once I do that, I'll start to narrow it down to some more details in some specific parts. There's only certain parts of the drawing so I can have that dynamic, that kind of loose-ended abstract dynamic combined with the more detailed, realistic dynamic. For this drawing in particular, the importance I was trying to elaborate on is the expression or the expressive nature of what I'm drawing. I think there's something appealing about having a drawing be almost completely abstract and really hard to see, while simultaneously having a part of it that's very realistic and catches your attention and your focus goes toward that part of the drawing. I think it's a really interesting dynamic to have. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. If you guys want tutorials or anything in specific, just let me know in the comments.